everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use the personal account on Kahoot without signing up. It's quite simple. Let's say you've downloaded the app already and you've already signed up and now you don't want to sign up anymore, or for whatever reason you just don't want to sign up. You just want to have access to the resources, the games and stuffs, the courses without signing up, and you don't know how to do it. Let me show you how. First of all, find a way to get to your app information for the Kahoot. What I mean by that, go to settings. The usual way you do it, you go to settings, you check through your settings, click on apps, choose the Kahoot app, and then clear the data. But for me, the shortcut for me is I just press down on the Kahoot app, click on the I for information here, and then scroll down till I see storage. Click on storage and you can see it here. Then just clear data and it's gone. So now when you open the Kahoot app, it starts afresh. And now this is, so click on next. Now this is a personal account. From personal account, who will use this account? So it's for you, and for a type, click on your child, then put the age. Who will you play Kahoot with most? You can choose anyone, family, friends, colleagues, students, or others. Then create accounts. Instead of you to create an account, just click on maybe later, and that's it. Now you can use Kahoot, enjoy everything that you need to enjoy in Kahoot without signing up. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.